adịghị n'ije anọkwafa n'ụlọ anọkwafa n'ụlọ adị oi onye na-eso m n'azụ onye na-eso m n'azụ mụ nwa ka ọ na-ajụ onye nwụ ka ihe na-akọwarị ya ka ihe mere mma nnukwu na biko ee mma nnukwu enwego cataract mma nnukwu adafụzi ụzọ hey ke ka manukwu asịkwa m ke ka manukwu esi ho wee mụ onye nwe hey manukwu ị na-aza afụ ụzọ kemgbe o bido complain we ihe hey manukwu nọ down kapa gị nke ọ makwa na ọ na-azụ enyi ego ma ego
ana m ejene
nnukwu ekpukwe isi ka ihe mmekwa you cannot assume its age. You cannot assume. You need to take her to hospital. Hi. Yeah, manuku no nana nne. Nolana, oh, no. Mba, hey, nolana. Onye gị na-ewetela oche mba. Nolu ma nọdụ. Uche dị nke a,
ma wetana m ya ọgwụ abụọ no bolokwa.
Nolana, onne. Hey. Anya mma nnukwu akpọ.
Hey. Onwe. Ana ma bụ. Ibe na ayo onye nwe okwu ọ bụrụ ya. Ọ bụ na ga ayo onye nwe okwu ọ bụrụ ya.
Otego mgbe one. Bet na Christmas nna to. Man no she recognized me now. Kpọọ m afa. Onye ka njisi gị ike check mma ma ọ ga-akpọ m. Onye akara iwu proof ka mmal extent now.
Ana ma bụgo onye na-agbagodegode ide anya na mmadụ na.
Hey.
Ọkwa na ncha. Ụmụ soro go bịa.
Fa na-agụ n'akwụkwọ.
Chukwu ikwekwene ka nche. Biko, ana m arịọ kwado ana m ekpe ekpere. Maka na onwe ibe ọya karịrị anya kachachi ibe niile. Anya. Mgbe na-ajụ n'ọnwụ ọgọ nwoke. Nde nwa m nke eda. Asị na eji mechi udolube. N'ibe na ọya na-rụfụtara ajụ ikuku na ọ na-ekuwuchi mmadụ. Ọkwa fadị na doluru ibe eji akwa ụmụada. Batara ibe ọgbụ oriri.
My grandma could not recognize me.
Wee na shenya adị. Mama? Bọsị tata bụ Tuesday ule eke. Nwanne echi wa ahụ bụ Thursday. Ije ahụ. O? Kedu ibe ije ego na agwọ kama egwa m egotere gị. Bọsị ahụ na ọchịgwo ilie ibe. Wụọ ahụ kwado ọfụma. Ka m bịa vuru ka efuje gị n'ọgwụ. Chinyere sị ka ọ sị ka enene ya anya isi na na-azị ahụchashi izu ike ka dọkịta onye akpọgwo mba dọkịta na fon wee ọ dọkịta kwụsị bịa bọsị ahụ nwanne echi o elue ka dọkịta nene ya anya mmadụ ihe eji eme.
So, long story short, my mom took my grandma to the hospital, and the doctor, it's a general hospital in my hometown. There's an eye specialist there, an eye specialist doctor. there, and the doctor confirmed that my grandma has cataract. I don't know which stage it's at. Mommy, when the test on that day.
Reading test.
Just reading test. Could you confirm cataract?
Reading test and touch.
Would you touch in your giant eye?
On your cover. Took him time. When we're on the surgery, let us go window. Use a touch. Use another light. Make our way to New York. So I did that. Anya, we confirm.
Okay, so the doctor called me on phone, and in fact, at the request of my mom, they called me, and he told me everything. That, of course, the only thing that fixes cataract is surgery, but because of my grandma's age, she's more than 90. I was afraid how successful that would be. I mean, even for young people, cataract, I don't know the success rate. Does anybody know the success rate of cataract? But for a much older person, her chances must be slimmer, for if not for anything, because the eye muscles are getting weaker. So does anybody know what her chances are? My mom also called my uncle, that's her brother, and they saw another group of doctors who gave her some medicines. This doctor that I'm talking about recommended an eye drop, like you heard my mom say. The doctor put a few drops in her eye, and after a few minutes, after a few seconds, she said she saw clearer. Yeah, so this is where we are at. Sadly, I can't come to terms with the fact that my grandma is going blind. Yeah, I mean, I know that as someone gets old, the senses will start going, but I don't know which one I would have chosen. Is it the sense of reasoning, sight, hearing? Which one now should we choose? But yeah, the fact that she can't see, I mean, the reason why those around her or those that she saw often did not notice that, for instance, my mom right now, my mom wears white, so just that white alone will tell her that it's my mom and her voice. And my uncle goes there about every weekend, so probably by his footsteps she can tell it's him coming in. So maybe that's why they didn't notice that. But once I came in, and she couldn't, normally she recognizes me by my voice, because right from the gate, which is quite far from that her front porch, she could hear me once I call her Manuku. I guess I'm the only one that calls her Manuku. So, but she didn't even recognize me from my voice. I came very close to her. She didn't recognize. She was looking like this and saying, "Mama, onyeke now." N'ihe kuchiri m n'anya, ndomo kuchiri m n'anya, as in fog, that her eyes are foggy. Yeah, it's I feel so sad. Yeah, it was shocking to me on that day. It still shocks me that she's going blind. Yeah, I can't come to terms with that. That's it. I just thought I would come and give you an update about that visit. Yeah.